Now let me show you a photo, guys. I captured a photo also.
Yes, sir.
See this.
Oh, God.
I have never seen you without smiling. Really swear by God.
Yes, sir.
Can you please stop for a while without smiling?
Sir, it is.
No, you can do it. I really want to see once, at least once. So we are loyal for all the girls.
I think I will not accept those person who is a loyal for the every girl.
I want to see your bicep, come on. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to have you here. Have you here. Right? Did you understand that? Yes. That's beautiful. So in today's talks, we have decided to have buddy talks. The meaning of buddy is like having buddyship, kind of friendship, kind of friends, right? I'm not formal for you. I'm just informal for you. You just can talk whatever you want to talk to me, whatever you want to discuss with me, okay? And I will also have personal talks, and I will also be having some personal questions to you. You also have to answer me, and I also have to have answer, okay? So in this buddy talks, I'm going to invite the first person to come here and sit down with me and talk to me, please. Have conversation with me. Who's there? Who wants to come fast? Almost everyone is excited to come here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Miss Tehzeeb. Please come on the stage. Hello, Vaini.
Hello, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
You're
I'm
not okay.
I'm okay.
So tell me, will you have friendship with me?
Of course, if do you want, so I can.
I don't want it.
Why?
Why should I have friendship with you?
Because
You have nothing.
I
Why
have
should
nothing. In future, I will
I
have.
always have friendship with those who have something, like money, something. What do you have? Tell me, what do you have?
I think you should be wait for the in the future. Definitely.
No, I can't wait. I have so many people to have friendship, right? I want to have friendship with you right now, and tell me why should I have friendship with
I
you
think
right now?
I have already the intelligent. I'm an intelligent person.
Intelligent?
Intelligent, sir. Intelligent. And intelligent. I'm
Intelligent?
Yes.
Are you more than me?
No, sir. Not
So why
more.
can I have friendship with you? I should always have friendship with those who are more than me,
More than.
and you are less than me.
I
Why should I?
think,
I'm sorry, you should go.
No, sir. I will not go.
So tell me, why should I have friendship with you? I don't have Mehdi, you have Mehdi. No compatibility, nothing is
I
matching.
think your T-shirt and my T-shirt is both are
Oh,
the same. That's why.
How cute you are. So Tehzeeb,
Yes, sir.
are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
So tell me, if a person comes in front of you and proposes you,
Yes.
will you accept their proposal?
I will not accept.
Why so? We boys accept every girl.
Boys are boys.
This is the harsh reality. We don't reject. हमारे dictionary में है ही नहीं rejection. We have big heart.
We have.
We have, I think.
Yes, boys are not loyal. The person. That's why.
No, we are loyal for all the girls.
Not loyal. The
Of course.
It is a not good. I don't like this person who is a for.
Did you watch मैं किसको प्यार करूं? नहीं.
किसको?
किसको
Yeah,
प्यार?
I
Kapil
watched.
Sharma's movie,
Yes,
right?
I
Did you
watched.
watch?
Yes, sir.
He gave importance to every wife.
Every wife.
We are like that. So we are loyal for all the girls.
I think I will not accept those person who is a loyal for the every girl.
Arey, you should be loyal.
I will accept this person who is a loyal only for me.
Tell me honestly,
Yes.
how many times have you rejected people?
I think I'm really tell you that I don't like these things.
God is listening.
Of
here.
course, God is listening. That's why I'm saying I don't like this.
Arey, how many times have you rejected?
In which area?
In being proposed.
Not any time.
Means nobody has proposed
No,
you.
yes, sir.
How
I don't-
halki you are.
I don't like.
How sasti you are. Nobody has proposed you.
No, sir.
माँ कसम बहुत तकलीफ होती है.
But I have no
बहुत तकलीफ
fan.
होती
I
है.
have no fan.
No. नहीं, अरे my question is not for you that you have proposed. Has anyone proposed you or not?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Sir, ask the another
हाँ,
question.
बेचारी समझ गई.
Ask another question.
You are my buddy now. I can ask any question. I can
Okay.
talk about anything. This is buddy talk.
Can I also ask,
Of course. I will be the luckiest person. You can ask.
when will you marry in future?
I'm already married. Why are you asking about that?
Show me your wife.
Why should I show?
picture.
No.
Why not,
no.
sir? Show me.
See, my wife has parda actually.
I know.
I don't want anybody to see my wife,
But
okay?
I'm a girl.
You're a girl. But I don't believe that. You will just, say, Allah, you will nazarain me,
No, sir.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? You will touch wood, I can't show you. My wife is so beautiful actually, right?
I know, sir. That's why I'm saying, show me your picture.
Actually, I'm publicly married, not personally.
So, what you said, sir?
I'm publicly married, Emotionally and personally, I'm not married.
So when will you marry emotionally?
Why do you want to know about that?
Because I will join and I want to join your marriage party.
If you come, the people will just run away from there. The people will think, excuse me, who has come here?
Why?
Because you're so dangerous.
No, sir. You are talking.
Upendra told before some days that, she was going for outside and someone is saying, excuse me, what happened? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
You must be okay.
Yes, I
So
will.
tell me that why will you attend my wedding?
Because
I will not invite you actually.
Why, sir?
Why should I?
I'm waiting for that you
Why
will
should I invite you? You are nothing of mine.
But in
What is-
future,
what
but
are
in
you?
future I will. In
I
future,
said, will you have friendship with me? You said, yes, I
Yes,
can.
sir,
But you have no
definitely.
reason.
I
You have
have
no
a-
reason. What is your reason? Tell me.
first of all, I'm your sister.
Yeah, but who said that?
I said that.
You said I don't say.
But I think you should have accept for this.
No, I will not accept this
You
proposal.
will
of this
have. You
sister.
will have
No,
accept.
no.
You will have to
You
accept.
are just my friend, but not real friend. If you make me believe you have some qualities, I will have friends.
I already told that ki I'm an intelligent girl, sincere
How can I believe
girl.
that you're intelligent?
You can test.
I can
You
test. You can take test.
You can take test.
I will take test tomorrow.
Yes.
By the way, so Tahzi, one more question I have actually. Do you like spending time with anybody outside?
No, sir. I
You
don't,
don't like?
No, sir. I don't like.
Okay, do you like studying or not?
Yes, I like.
What kind of things do you like studying?
Especially for that, during the exam, I love so much for the study,
That's
the
fine.
preparation.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Great. If you go in a restaurant and somebody offers you tea and coffee, what would you like to have? What would you prefer to have?
Of course, tea.
Tea,
Yes,
not
sir.
coffee.
No, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. How many times have you had tea?
Only in a one day, only one
Do you
time.
take tea or not?
Yes, sir. In the morning time.
In morning time. Before a few days, Kanchan came and said that, Tehzeeb is no more.
That day I went to meet my
I
father.
was shocked. I started crying. I said, Inna lillahi wa inna
No, sir.
ilayhi raji'un.
You are telling a lie.
Really? Ask her. Ask her.
Really?
Really?
He was crying.
I was crying. But she said, sir, when I woke up in the morning, I saw on the bed, there's no Tehzeeb. That she went to Kabristan actually, right?
Why is he went
She wanted to find your qabr.
there?
And then later on, she called and you said, I'm in coma.
No, sir.
You were
that
in
day,
coma?
I was in a hospital.
In hospital or at hospital?
In a hospital.
You were admitted?
Sorry, at hospital.
Okay, for somebody.
For me.
For
not
myself. So you
Yes,
were in
sir.
hospital.
Yes,
You
sir.
were admitted or you
No,
were
sir,
just...
I was not admitted. I thought that
ये कैसी दोस्ती?
I was asking.
Intelligent. She said I'm intelligent. I went for checkup.
I went for the checkup.
Are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
Are you healthy now?
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Show bicep. Show your bicep. I want to see your bicep. Come on. Your bicep is just like...
I don't have bicep.
Sona Gadola. Please have a seat. Thank you so
sir.
much. It was nice to have words with you. Next person who wants to have words with me, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Mr. Ajay Anand. Please go to stage. You are like Khaja for me, you know?
Khaja?
Do you know Khaja?
No, sir.
It's a sweet, guys. It's a white sweet.
Thank you, sir.
Whenever I see you, I don't know which Khaja comes in my mind. Alright? What is going on?
Sir, you are
You're coming nearer? Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I am okay.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you're okay actually, right? Nowadays, colorful things are going on.
Yes, sir.
You understood?
Colorful things, sir. Acha, okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, toba, toba. He is saying that you are from LGBT group. What is
No,
he
I'm
saying?
not from.
Huh?
Let's get biryani tonight. LGBT, sir.
Acha.
Let's.
Sir, he is telling full form of LGBT.
How
Yes,
manipulating
yes,
you are. So you are from LGBT group.
No, sir, I'm not from LGBT group.
Are let's get biryani to eat.
Arey, that's an, I mean.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh, he.
Biryani, sir, for chicken.
Okay, fine, no problem. So please, I really want to know something special from you.
Yes, sir.
Magasam, have you ever attended death ceremony or not? First of all, tell me.
Yes, sir, I have attended that ceremony.
100%.
Yes, sir.
Magasam, Murda can get up. if he looks at you, if you look at Murda, Murda will get up. Do you know why?
Why, sir?
He always smiles, guys. He's very smiling boy. So from where do you bring this smile? I just want to have that.
Sir, this smile is from.
Excuse me. Huh?
Sir, this smile is from my inner self, sir. I like to smile like to people, like they also smile at back, and I love that to interact with them.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
everybody is crying for a murda, for a dead body, will you make them smile?
No, sir.
I'm really thinking that I have never seen you without smiling. Really swear by God.
Yes, sir.
Can you please stop for a while without smiling?
Sir, it is. Sir, it is very hard for me, sir.
No, it's not hard. Come on, do it. No, you can do it. I really want to see once, at least once, right? Guys, whenever he is sad, looks smiling. He can't do that. I think while sleeping, he also smiles. He smiles too. Look, he can't stop
Sir,
smiling.
right now, sir, everybody is focused on me, so
It's okay, no problem. So you have this kind of, I think, what do we call strength? This is skill of smiling, right?
so strength.
So
sir.
just imagine that if somebody will slap you, somebody will give one slap, you will be like,
Sir,
he will give more slaps.
sir, then I will give. Then I will smile.
He will give more slaps.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Then I will be smiling again.
But you know, your wife will be lucky.
How, sir?
She will be happy because of you.
Yes, sir. I think so, sir.
Anybody, excuse, you can give contact number. Anybody can call you to marry you.
Okay.
Ajay Anand wants to get opportunity actually, right? How cute you are. No problem. So, can I ask some personal questions?
Yes, sir. You can ask, sir.
Do you have anybody?
No, sir.
You have nobody.
No, sir.
I am here for you. People are here for you.
Sir, I have friends.
I also have, but you don't have.
No, you understood something else. Oh, I said, do you have anybody in your life?
Sir, friends. I have friends, sir. I have friends, colleagues, sir.
That is what I'm asking. What did you understand? You understood something else.
No, sir. Yes.
What is this?
Yes,
Okay, no problem. Ajay Anand, what makes you always happy?
Sir, I think, sir, happiness is the key to means face any situation, sir. So that's why I'm always happy. And sir, it makes other people means happy in situations, and
right.
and it makes me happy too, sir.
Before few days you came in office and you told, sir, whenever I just go to university, few days I just mingled with people, but later on I just found people quite boring, and that's why you couldn't mingle with people. What did you observe and what did you analyze after looking at them?
Sir, people don't after I try to at first I try to communicate with them, but they don't match the energy like right now this room has. Like they are very right now everyone is very energetic and very much communication person, but at my university many people are not willing to communicate with me, and they are very boring type. They don't want new things. They want only the same thing over and over again. So that's why, sir, my energy got very low because of those people. So
Oh my God, you got, I mean, the kind of energetic class here after attending. From here, you went there and you found everybody's kind of monotonous,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
It's
Yes.
okay. So, did you do anything for making them energetic or not?
Sir, I try to like do some some group work. Like I ask them to act something like some on meme or do something. If you become a neta for one day, what you will do?
That's fine.
That's
Okay, Mr. Ajay Anand, very personal and deep question can I have?
yes, sir.
Have you ever faced any situation that, you had to go somewhere and it was rainy season and you wore your cloth and unfortunately you wore your underwear and that was wet?
I mean, sir, yes, sir.
It happened with you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then, I don't want to ask what happened actually further.
Yes, sir.
You only can feel the situation, right?
Yes, sir.
How did you tackle the situation?
Sir, sir, it was an event. I had to go. Then after that, I came back and
Everything was okay?
yes, sir. Everything was somewhat.
Please have. Thank you for not
Thank you,
asking
sir.
any question to me.
Sir, do you have someone, sir?
Of course, I have so many people.
No,
right?
sir.
Come on.
I'm talking about.
Yeah, there's so many people, of course.
I'm talking about relationships, sir.
Of course, there are so many people.
So like girlfriends.
I have so many relatives, right?
Sir, girlfriends.
Girls
or
friend.
married.
Yes, I have girls friend. Girls friend.
Sir, are you married, sir? Sir.
Of course, I'm married. Yes, I'm engaged. Yeah, exactly.
Don't get offended by sir. Ask him, okay? Don't get fear.
Sir, who?
You're
Sir?
buddy for me right now. You can ask anything. I'm not teacher here.
Sir, is there, sir, any?
See,
Girlfriend
my
or-
Ammi knows about that. My Ammi knows.
Sir, you don't know.
I don't know. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Well, thank you very much. Next person who wants to come. And don't be worried that Cap sir will mock you, okay? It's okay. Who is super excited? So many people. Let's invite Mr. Upendra. Make it very interactive. If I ask 2 questions, you should ask 4 questions.
Sir, this is Mr. Upen Singh and I would like to ask
I don't need your
about,
introduction, okay? I know you.
Sir.
Do you know me?
Yes, sir.
When I was born.
I don't know about all this.
So you said I know about you.
Sir, I know about
when
you.
you
I
were
know
born.
about your
Can I tell you
profession,
the DOB?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Look into my eyes.
Yes.
I love you too. By the way, so yes, Upendra, what do you want to talk about?
Sir, I would like to ask about your favorite book. Now you are reading or you have read?
Nowadays, I'm not reading any book. I'm really sorry, but my favorite book is Ikigai.
Ikigai.
Yeah,
The
Japanese
Japan-
book. Yeah, of course, that's.
And
favorite
sir, I
one.
would like also know about you that which movie do you like to watch?
Be
Like
my
Hollywood?
friend. Be my friend, Barry. You have to ask just like, hey, Kafwa, tell me how are you?
I
right?
cannot do all this.
It's a buddy talks. It's a buddy talks. You have good opportunity. Hey, Cap, please tell me, man. You are buddy for me.
I cannot do all this.
You can
That
do,
class
man.
what will happen.
No, it's okay. You can do it, buddy. I never consider myself a teacher, right? मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा free करने के लिए. Right, come on.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Sir, I would like to know about your favorite heroine or
Heroine.
yes, sir.
I like Priyanka Chopra. The way she talks, I love that.
Any heroine Bollywood in or Hollywood or in Bhojpuri industry.
I
She
never-
was your crush.
No, I never watched Bhojpuri movie. I'm really sorry. I watched and I used to watch Bollywood and Hollywood movies. So Priyanka Chopra has been one of the best.
Sir, no, in Hollywood.
In Hollywood, Priyanka Chopra.
So now she is working, but the local one of America.
I didn't watch. Not that much. 1 or 2 movies. I have watched one movie that was Doomsday. You
So
know.
what are the scariest thing and funniest thing have you done in your life?
Scariest.
If you have to say one incident.
The most horrified thing.
Yes, sir.
Well, when I lost my mother. I went to, other country and in a crowd I lost my mother. And my mother didn't have mobile phone, my mother didn't have any ID and we were out of country and she didn't have passport as well. I was finding her and finally I found her.
What about
So
the
that was-
funniest thing when you are feeling bored or if
the
you are sitting with your friend in a restaurant
okay.
and you want make that moment special for your buddies,
Really?
then what do you?
I dined and dashed.
What, sir?
I dined and dashed. I mean
After
to say
having
that.
food, you
exactly.
ran away.
I said I have paid. Let's go. Come on. And we all went out. So he said, I said, excuse me, we haven't paid. He said, really? I said, yes. I said, let's go.
Sir,
Man.
have you been in police station?
Police station, yeah, I have been once. Not being arrested.
Yes,
I have
sir.
been to make somebody bail out.
No, I am asking about that. If
Being
you are-
arrested.
No, sir. If you are driving your car on road and you violated some rule, have you did it?
Day before yesterday, I was in Hazratganj, so I parked my car on the road actually. So somebody came from Nagar Nigam and they took my car into Nagar Nigam. So I just went. I said,
By towing,
sorry.
sir?
Huh? Or they came. I don't know from it's kind of JCB. And they entered into my car and just picked it and just took it to the Nagar Palika and I just went there. They do every day, so it was kind of
do you
violation.
know-
Now let me also ask question. You are asking me question only, right? Yes, the last
This is
question.
my, sir,
Huh.
the last thing. The way we Indian people, we watch Kapil Sharma show, but currently I'm watching and for 1 year the Ellen show. Do you know about her?
Ah, the Ellen Tube. Yeah, I know.
you love her, sir?
I know. She's lesbian, right? I know her. I know her. Biography.
So
yeah.
these people, I
She
think,
got married with a girl, and she's a girl. I know very well.
Yes, sir.
I know very well her. She has, I think, 36 million subscribers.
Yes.
Yes, I know
You are
her.
right, sir.
I know very well about her. And what is your question?
said it was my question. Do you love her?
I love well talk.
The way, no, sir, no. Now I'm talking about that.
I
thing.
don't love her, but I
I
like
am talking
her.
about her
The way she
communication
talks.
skills.
Oh my God, I love.
Because all the celebrity and famous.
Yeah, she invites every celebrity there and she talks.
Yes.
I think Barack Obama has been there.
You-
So many celebrities.
So
have
you
been
also, if you will get chance, if you get chance, then would like to go
there. I
there.
want to let them get chance to be in World Talk. Why should I get chance to be there?
No, sir, you have also platform, but here you are training, sir. But there they take interviews as a who is
Exactly.
phenomenal person.
See,
That's why.
I
In
just,
that
I
perspective,
just
I'm
simply
asking.
want to expand my knowledge. If I get opportunity to go on Mars, I will go there, Barry. And I would love to go there. Thank
I
you very
also
much.
heard one news.
Avoid the next question, please come on. So, Mr. Upendra,
Yes, sir.
you are a very girls-oriented person, right?
No, sir.
Excuse me. I have heard so many times, right?
But, sir-
you are just like gynophile. You're philongenist,
No, sir.
right?
I don't have
Why?
anything
I
like
mean, why are you like
See,
that?
I love to talk with everyone, all boys and girls. But
And
I don't
have
think about
listened
all
that
these
you
things.
tease a lot to your sister. Why? Do you have problem with girls?
Because sir, I love doing this.
You love doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your sisters has ever she beaten you?
Sir, multiple time. I am sitting like this. She will come and slap me. And she will run.
My
to mom.
goodness, she's younger to you or elder to you?
Sir, elder me.
Oh, that's why. Hey, Didi, thank you so much. So, Mr. Upendra, tell me one thing which makes you feel special.
Sir, me?
Yeah.
When I think that I am most intelligent, or if someone is asking me something, then I am able to give an answer. Or if someone asking for any help, I am able to help that. thing.
Really?
That time I feel.
Can you pay me 1 lakh rupees right now?
Sir, but currently I cannot pay.
Why?
So I don't have 1 lakh, but if you ask for 100, then I can.
Of course. Give me. Give me.
Okay, sir.
100
What is your skill, sir?
Phone pay or Google Pay?
Sir, this is buddy talk. Why are you asking for money, sir?
So, a buddy
getting
can
serious.
pay money as well,
Yes,
right?
but I know you are richer than me, sir.
Oh, excuse me, it's not like that.
Yes, it is
By
like
the
that.
Upendra,
Yes, sir.
my birthday is coming soon, okay?
Yes, sir.
Give me gift.
Sir, definitely.
Really?
Yes, sir.
What will you give me?
A beautiful girl. Sir, because you need.
You are over. I
Sir,
need.
yes, sir.
Oh
Because
my
nowadays you are
God.
busy. Nowadays you are. Sir, you are too professional now, and you need, sir. No,
Being
you need.
professional doesn't mean to have girl.
No, sir.
Yeah.
For your happy life.
Am I not happy, guys? Excuse me. Am I not happy? I'm damn happy.
She will cook food for
I
you.
will be the saddest person if I have wife.
She will cook food for you. She will take care of you. She will,
Many people
she
cook
will
for
wash
me
your class.
actually.
No, sir. Now you are living with boys. That's why you have all the act of boys.
I have bicep. I have tricep. I'm the happiest person.
No, sir, it doesn't
Everybody
mean-
wants to get happy like me,
No,
right?
sir. Having girl in our life now, it is very necessary for
You are very ganda person.
No, sir, I am not.
By the way, no problem. Any other question? No, I just want to have question, Upendra. So, yes, one complaint for you. You always, you fall sick actually,
Yes, sir.
Having good body. What happens to you? You always,
I
kind
don't
of.
know, sir. Most of the time in month or after 2 months, I get sick.
And someone told me you have something is going on with your auntie, PG Wali auntie. What is going
Sir,
on?
she's unmarried girl and she is like Diane. Sir, she's prettier and beautiful and she's glamour girl.
Akram, I think, came and said, sir, Upendra will be beaten so much. Sir, what happened? Something is going on with auntie
Sir,
Wali PG.
no, sir, she's not good girl. She always come and she didn't provide her good service. Sir, nowadays there is no reason.
She must be watching video there.
Sir, it is okay. Yesterday, Sachin came in my room and there was Wi-Fi doesn't work. Wi-Fi was not working. I was making her call. She switched off her phone and she will come when she will have to pay the rent.
So you will have to pay
And,
rent.
when she will have to take rent, then she will come.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
I
so
don't
much.
want to listen complaints, right? because I sent you in that PG.
Sir, I also.
I know her
Sir,
that.
one
I know,
last question I want to ask you,
Yeah,
sir.
what is that?
When I try to be open, now, sir, you are saying me that you can be open, you can do buddy talk. But when I try to talk in the class, that time you started, sir, scolding me.
point is that every situation is not like today's situation, right? I'm buddy like today because to make you
But I feel, sir,
confident,
get
right?
offended.
If you say anything, anytime, that is not okay. Like before few days, I will not tell. You said something to Tehzeeb, you said something to him. That was not okay.
But they are okay, sir.
They are okay,
know,
but-
sir, they are not that
Huh?
I'm not.
They are
intention-
okay.
they know
Saying
my
them not
intention.
okay is not okay. Do you understand that? If I'm healthy, if you say, sir, you're not looking okay, I will be hurt here, right?
Okay, sir.
Like Tehzeeb is really good one, but you said ki hey patli ladki, right?
No, I said that.
Oh,
It's
come on.
really health oriented. I asked
Now, girl who wants to come. Shalu, your Chalu, please come here. Yeah, I can put that. You are like Ravan. Please. Shalu.
Yes, sir.
Last night I saw you somewhere.
Where, sir?
Should I tell that?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Swear by God?
Yes, sir. If I know I'm
And I can tell you, you were in the same t-shirt.
actually, she was my PG mate.
Nahi, I don't want to tell everything, but I saw you in the same t-shirt. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. You're right.
Now you can understand ki where Capsar was. Capsar has seen everything.
Where, sir?
Should I tell everything?
Yes, sir.
No, guys, it is not good to tell. And why do you smoke actually?
Oh God, sir! Now you're telling a lie.
No!
Now you're telling
See,
a lie.
I was accurate, I was right. You were wearing this t-shirt.
Yes, sir.
Now I saw she was smoking at Kaputla.
Who is saying, sir? Sir.
You were with a girl,
Yes, sir.
right?
No, sir. It's not like that.
Really, you were with a girl? Really?
I was not
And she
smoking.
was fatter than you?
Sir, it was not like that.
Whatever they were.
I have so many black. I love black color, and I have so many black T-shirts.
So means you were not in this t-shirt.
Yes, sir.
You were in black.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. You only tell me why were you smoking?
Sir, I was not smoking.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Now let me show you a photo, guys. I captured your photo also.
Yes, sir.
See this.
Oh God. Actually, I'm not, sir.
This black. See black. This is black color or not?
Yes, sir. It's black.
See?
Sir, I'm not.
No, guys, I was just kidding. That is my mother actually. But I was just kidding. So, Miss Shalu,
Yes, sir.
whenever you just go outside for outdoor training,
Yes, sir.
everybody is captivated by you. Everybody is, impressed. What masala and what strategy do you apply?
Sir, actually, the way I'm speaking, that is better.
That matters.
Yes, sir.
But the way you speak here, it doesn't matter. Why it doesn't matter when you speak here?
Sir, it's matter, sir.
It matters?
Yes, sir.
Can you make it matter right now?
Yes,
Speak
sir.
something so that it can matter. Huh? Nothing
Oh, yeah,
matters
definitely.
whenever you speak anything.
No, sir.
Whenever you go outside, you make it matter. When you speak here, nothing matters. Why is it like that?
Actually, have you listened, sir? घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर.
Oh, so you are ghar ki murgi dal barabar hai, right?
Yes, sir.
By the way, so Miss Shalu,
Yes, sir.
one of the most insulted moments of yours.
One of the most insulted moments of.
Yeah.
Sir, whenever I have got chance to speak on the stage, and that time I was not able to speak. That was very insulted moment for me. And that,
My goodness.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been insulted in Well Talk that somebody has insulted you because you couldn't speak?
No, sir. But I feel.
But I felt.
But I felt.
Oh, fine. That's great. In the future, you will become air hostess, right?
Yes, sir.
If you find any one of you guys, right? We are in the airlines, right?
Yes, sir.
We are traveling for somewhere. Unfortunately, we saw Shalu. We will start shouting, Shalu! What will be your reaction? You will be like, come on, come to me and hug me, will you be like that or not?
No, sir. It will be not like that. Because I was in profession.
I was, you already have become. I will be.
I will be in profession.
So why will you not identify as?
I will be and identify you, but that time I will in my
I will not hug, but I will talk, right?
I will talk.
What special service will you provide as?
So what you want?
What do you want?
Uh-huh.
We want that, you should sit. We want you to sit with us. One chair is for you. Come on, Shalu, sit. And let's travel whole journey with. Business class. Yeah, business class. Will you offer that?
No, sir, I will not offer that.
If you say like that, in the sky we will say, stop the flight. Stop here right now. Open the gate. I want to jump now.
I will provide.
You will provide. That's very nice. Okay, any question for me?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, what you like to eat?
Right now?
Yes, sir.
I'm fasting. I'm sorry. I cannot eat anything. I'm fasting. Yeah. I'm very good.
I know you love biryani.
No, it's not like that. Who said that?
Yes, sir.
In so many videos you can see.
Ronaldo video.
Yes, sir.
No, you take your biryani.
And-
I will give only 100 rupees.
Yeah. What is this?
And whenever he listen about some foods, his mouth is
I'm
full
foodie.
of
I'm foodie. I'm
full of
Sikamaniac.
watering.
Yes.
Yes.
I love to eat biryani, of course,
Yes,
but I
sir.
will not tell you which biryani. Veg or non-veg, I love biryani. But
Sir,
because I'm pure vegetarian, right?
everybody wants to know. Sir, are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Swear by God, I'm vegetarian. I'm pure vegetarian. Publicly, of course.
Publicly.
I'm pure vegetarian.
Publicly.
You have tasted some chicken biryani.
No, I have
Yes,
not
sir.
tasted. Master has tasted. Master has.
Check, sir.
Yes, sir.
I smelled it, but you can watch that video again. I smelled it. I didn't take it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question, please.
Sir, what's your favorite destination?
The favorite destination for me is to be in the parliament and be awarded by president of this country. That's the last and the most admirable.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Any buddy type question. Why are you asking professional question? It's a buddy talks. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Didi, I have one more question for you.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever faced a situation that you wore a boy's t-shirt, a boy's pant, and you went outside?
No, sir.
Never happened.
No, sir. Never happened.
It happened with me actually. Yeah, this is a boy's jeans actually.
It's a baggy.
It's baggy. Huh? We also wear baggy. This is
No, sir.
This is
Boys only. I have seen, sir, so many boys. They used to wear what? Skinny jeans.
Yeah. So do you
No,
like
sir.
skinny
You can
jeans?
see. You can see Upendra.
This is called 90s, no? 90s
yes, sir.
jeans. Huh, I like that. It's
Yes, sir.
okay. Excuse me, you're targeting Amit
Sir,
as
you
well.
can see so
Skinny.
many boys.
Narrow, we can say narrow jeans,
AV.
right?
AV. It's also skinny jeans. Midi skinny. Midi skinny.
It's okay, no problem. They have their own fundamental rights. Who are you to say that? Right? They can wear, carefree, whatever they want.
Yes, sir.
The next question for you. You are from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
You live in Rajasthan. Study from Uttar Pradesh. What a lafada going on, exactly. And maybe you'll marry in Nepal and work in England. Exactly. Eat food. What is going on? Where were you born? Exactly. Where were you born?
So in Bihar, sir.
Okay. Where were you brought up? Where were you nourished? In Rajasthan.
In Delhi.
Really?
Yes,
in
sir.
Delhi. And now you are living in Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
And studying from Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
How are you able to manage it? And you are, I think, 18 years old only.
Yes, sir.
In 18 years, so many cities, how are you able to manage everything?
Sir, actually, I accustomed to manage.
You are accustomed to managing everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. I will take some people's name. You have to speak only one sentence.
Yes.
A.B. Prasad.
Good behavior.
Sadaf.
Charming smile.
Shivam.
Cooperative.
Upendra. Please tell honestly, right? Honestly.
Very funny.
Very funny. Tehzeeb.
So sweet.
Cap, sir.
savvy.
Sachin. What for caption?
Savvy.
Shabby.
Smart. Sachin. He has a good smile.
Kanchan.
Actually, she's a very cooperative girl.
She's corporate.
yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But she's not. No, she is actually.
By heart.
Thank you so much, Shalu, for
Thank you,
having
sir.
words with me. Please
Thank
have
you,
it.
sir.
Very nice. The next boy, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sachin ke bagal mein Amit. मैं कसम
It is
why this discrimination? See,
it is
my thigh is looking like
Now
but
it is-
chicken thigh, and your
now-
thigh is looking like elephant thigh,
now it is okay, and this is natural, sir.
and it is artificial. It is also natural. It is also natural. Why this discrimination actually?
This is not discrimination. This is the God gifted.
This is God gifted. So this is not God gifted.
No.
Right? Means God has done discrimination with me, right?
During childhood, you didn't eat chicken, mutton. That's why you
Are
are
you-
not increase your muscles.
Oh, you ate mutton.
Yes, bulk of mutton.
What?
Bulk.
You're from Gorakhpur.
Yes, I am.
Yogi ji.
I am Gorakhpuriya also.
Bakara should be banned. You are vegetarian, I think, right?
Sir, yes. Now I am vegetarian, and
Earlier you were non-vegetarian.
sir, yesterday you would you eating mutton?
Did you?
Uh,
Did you eat?
mutton in the front of Champaran?
Not yesterday.
saw, sir.
No, not yesterday. I ate, I think,
This is not good.
before 5 days, I think.
No, sir.
When? Yesterday?
Yes.
Not yesterday, before 5 days.
Why you are eating, sir?
No,
during
I
Navratri?
entered in a biryani wali, restaurant.
You are
but I did
eating.
not eat. I took ice
saw
cream
you
only.
are eating.
Impossible. Impossible. In front of camera, you are insulting me.
Yes.
Why?
Because you are my friend now.
I'm your friend.
Yes.
So you can do anything.
Yes.
Kiss me.
I can.
No, just kidding. By the way, so Mr. Amit,
Yes.
you are really very professional guy.
Yes.
Whenever you enter, everybody becomes silent. Why?
Because of my personality is very good. That's why.
No, you are dangerous, I think.
No, I am not dangerous. I am. I live in very politely.
You live very politely.
Yes.
Very nice. How much money do you earn nowadays?
No, nowadays I don't.
You are
Didn't earn.
you are 40 plus actually nowadays.
No, I am 50 plus.
50 plus.
Yes.
It's okay. I'm also 60 plus.
Yes.
So when will you die?
I will die when I will 70.
I will be
70.
70. Okay. I have one practicality with you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Just you have to imagine that.
Yes.
Or be like this. You have to imagine, okay?
Okay.
Someone is special sleeping here,
Yes.
putting head on your thigh.
Yes.
What will you feel? Please tell me. How will you feel?
I feel very good. And
Just feel that. Come on. You will not. And say something. Say something.
how cute you are.
Thank you very much. You are also
You
cute.
are very intelligent person. You are very confident person.
Why are you suraying here?
I want to explore my
You
love.
are not romantic actually. It's
I-
okay. So, Mr. Amit, tell me, when did you dance last time?
I was dance.
I danced
I danced at
on.
on. No. 25th April.
No.
Is my brother birthday?
You
brother
danced
wedding.
on 15 August.
But
Kamaria.
but it is
Yes, he was
but
dancing.
it is little bit no.
Oh, that was dance, right? No problem. You're one of friends. I will not take his name. You can easily come to know. He always goes in Summit building. Can you tell me why does he go?
Now because He was living in on Vidhayak Awas. That's why there are very traffic. There are very disrespecting guys. They are only want to enjoy whole Lucknow. That's why.
Oh, and you also do that?
No, sir.
Your friend does, you don't do?
No, sir.
How many times have you taken Upendra with you
2 times, sir.
in Samit building?
No, in not Samit building. In Lucknow only.
In Lucknow only.
Yes.
So how is his behavior and nature?
His behavior is very good.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
How many times have you been abused by somebody because of him?
Many times, sir.
It is not safe to go with him.
No, sir.
By the way, Mr. Amit, tell me the most special moment in 24 hours.
24 hours.
In 24 hours, which time is the most special moment?
Tomorrow, my brother was on my room.
Tomorrow
My brother
was.
at my room.
Tomorrow was.
Yesterday, my brother was at my room, and he told me कि I have many company and I want to join you.
I have many.
I had many
Many?
companies and I want to join you.
I want to
Join.
make you join.
I want to make you join.
So what did you say?
Sir,
did you say?
Sir, then I say I want to join.
Okay. Someone was complaining about you.
Which type of complaints?
Someone was saying that you want to work in a mall,
No, sir.
just like operator. You want
No,
to
sir.
calculate everything.
No, sir.
What do you want? You want to become data engineer, right?
Yes.
So you have to calculate shampoo ki price ye,
No, no,
surf
no,
ki
no,
price ye. You said already.
No, sir.
So what is the work of data engineer?
I am become a data engineer.
So what will be your work? Counting the same.
No. Counting na. Some company want to big data. How I will send my how I will sold my
Sell.
how I will sell my whole products.
Okay.
That is very.
So don't you think that this work is very hectic?
This is where, sir, every politician, every company owner, every man wants to hire data engineer. That's why, sir.
Oh. So will you be happy?
Yes,
Pura bolo.
I will be happy.
Good. Okay, fine. If you become the richest person, or if you become rich person, will you hire me?
No, sir.
Huh? You will not hire.
No, because you are
I'm your
my.
friend.
No.
Huh? You will not hire me.
I will not hire you.
You can hire me as a driver. I can be your
No,
driver.
no.
What?
You are my friend. You are my business partner.
Oh, but I don't have knowledge of data engineering, right?
But business partner.
Business partner. So what kind of business are you planning to start?
Contractor, sir.
Oh, very nice. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
Me too, boliye.
Me too, sir.
Nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you.
Me too.
Me too.
Nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you.
I will say nice to talk to you. You have to say me too.
Sir, you said that ki nice to talk to you.
I understand. So,
Sir ने कहा कि आपको-
हाँ, nice to talk to you.
Me too.
Me too.
Me too.
Please have a seat. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you.
Mr. Shivam. Everybody will get opportunity to worry. My goodness, I wanted to talk to you. It was my dream. And today, finally, my dream has come true. Let's rise again.
Yes.
Are you ready to rise again?
Yes, I am ready to rise.
Please tell me where is it written? Rise again कहाँ लिखा है? कहीं तो लिखा है मैं देखा.
Sir, on my chest. On my chest.
You are very होशियार, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is your dad T-shirt? Adda. No, Padda. Prada. You know everything.
Actually, yesterday I was close.
I washed that T-shirt.
Yes,
It's okay. I have no problem with T-shirt.
Yes, sir.
But I want to know, where did you go yesterday?
Sir, yesterday.
Ma kasam.
Sir, by you, sir.
Oh, don't swear by me. Many people will cry if I die.
No, sir. I will cry a lot.
Because of your fees, right?
No, sir.
I will cry a lot. Oh
No,
my
sir.
God, I have paid fees, but I did not get
No,
anything.
sir.
Everyone will cry,
No,
not
sir,
for
you-
me, for fees actually. Exactly,
No,
right?
sir. I earn those money
I earned those money
by learning.
by learning.
Yes, sir.
Why will you cry for me if I die?
Why, sir? Because you are the fantastic teacher.
Fantastic or fantastic?
Fantastic teacher
My
in
God.
our life. In our life.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You're impressing me or flirting me?
No, sir. And
If I were a girl, I would marry you. रहा नहीं जाता.
I'm thinking that.
It's okay, fine. So, where were you yesterday? You did not tell me that.
Yesterday? So actually, I was at my room because my room owner doesn't allow to go after 10 p.m.
Doesn't? Doesn't. ठीक है. Doesn't allow after 10 p.m.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. You can leave one day outside. What's the
Sir,
problem, buddy?
Sir, I
No,
was
why?
I was thinking that is there is there any rope? Then I
can?
can just go.
What? Acha, by rope you can go.
Yes, sir.
My goodness. You are... Sir,
There
I
was-
have.
But
We
there
have all
was-
the facilities. We have rope. If you want to jump from the building, jump off the building, we can allow.
But he was just sitting in front of the room.
Oh. No, you should have gone at evening and you shouldn't have gone back.
But sir,
Yesterday it was superb day, man. Dashera
Yes,
was
sir.
there. Everybody was
sir,
dancing.
I'm telling that as a room lady with my you can say my neighbor. Sir, she just फोड़ रही थी मतलब
She was cracking.
she was cracking a bomb, sir.
Oh, bomb?
She was
Her
just-
crackers.
Yes, sir.
Bomb? She was cracking the crackers.
Yes, she threw the bomb.
Bomb. She threw the crackers
She threw the cracker on my roof.
on your roof.
Yes, sir.
And it was like dham.
No, sir. I was just doing this and just I cracked this.
You flew.
Yes, sir.
Good, no problem, no problem.
Sir, ask me a good
What?
question, sir.
It was not a good question.
sir,
Let me ask a good question. Okay, tell me, what do you wear inside?
It is too personal, sir.
So you should say, I don't feel comfortable to share.
Yes, I'm not comfortable to share.
Okay. Are you a boy? I'm boy. What's the problem?
Sir, there are some girls, sir.
Are you happy to tell only send? But I'm formal for him, na. But I'm buddy, now you can say.
Yes, sir.
Right. What is inside?
Inside, sir, there's a whole body.
I don't want to know the body. I just want to know this T-shirt, buddy. It's called, inner T-shirt.
Inner t-shirt, sir.
Yes. Why are you saying that I don't feel comfortable to share?
Yes, sir.
It's okay, no problem. What is your existence on this earth? Are you kind of धरती का बोझ or what? पैसा कितना आ रहा है? अरे
Sir, I'm not the boss of Dharti. Because I'm only 55 kg. So they are sir.
do you have any importance of existence on this earth or not? Means good God should feel proud or not?
Sir, I feel proud.
No, you feel proud, but should God feel proud or not?
I don't know God feels proud, but I feel proud.
No, I'm asking should God feel proud or not?
Why
After
not?
sending-
Why not? Why not, sir?
What is your service for God?
My service is for God. Sir, I will talk to him after getting dead.
I will talk to him after dying.
Yes.
No, I mean, see, if God doesn't feel proud, he will call you back. Exactly. If God feels proud, then he will say, oh, come on, beta, come on. You stay.
God feels proud. God feels proud, sir.
So tell which service do you do so that God can feel proud?
I'm doing many of service, sir.
Many of services.
Yes, many of service. I'm helping others. Yes.
Can you help Pakistani people?
I help Pakistani people by serving as an Indian army.
Oh,
Yes.
means you-
I will help, sir. I will help whenever
we believe you
whenever
ask
they
the
meet.
kingdom come.
No,
We
sir.
believe in-
Whenever they meet, sir, I want to just remove all the, dumb kachara on the earth.
Okay.
They are the Boj of Dharti.